Okay, so I'm going to do a little tutorial on waypoints. So I've got the drone set up a decent distance away from the memorial, which I'm going to use. You press the little three wiggly bits on the corner, there you go, waypoints. Comes up, you can add one by pressing the plus or pressing the C1 button on the back of the remote, which I've just done now. Now if you go into the waypoint, you can set all of the features, the speed, the heading, gimbal, etc. in there. So what I'm going to do, this is waypoint 1, I'm going to press start record when I set the waypoint mission off, and the altitude, the speed, the global speed. Let's have a look at the global speed. Okay, go to settings, let's have a look. So I'm going to put that at 10 because it's going to be quite a wide arc. I want it to go at a decent speed, so that's at 10. On signal lost, return to home, return to home on end of flight, we'll try that one, and that's that one. So now I'm going to bring it closer to the memorial. Here we go, just setting it up now, just get it a bit closer and add another waypoint now. So that's waypoint 2. Going to waypoint 2, it's got a global speed is the same. Go to settings, let's have a look. It's going to end of flight, it's going to return to home. On signal lost, it's returned to home. So that's fine. So let's add a third waypoint. So let's have a look at the other side of the memorial. I won't go mad with this because too many waypoints, etc. But here we go. Just bring it back a bit. And we'll pull out a bit as well. Sorry, wrong way. We'll pull out a bit. Tilt the gimbal up a bit. So then we'll hit the C1 button again to add the third one. And we'll do one more. So we'll get the other view there. And there you go. Add a fourth waypoint. And if we go into the fourth waypoint, global speed's the same. Gimbal tilt we're happy with. On loss of signal, return to home. And apply to all. Okay. So we come out of there now. And we'll have a look at that now. I've already saved one there, so I will save this one as a new one. Save as. So that one there, it seems to have saved 2. So anyway, we'll get rid of that one. Delete. Yeah. Press that one now. And next. And press go. And it should go back to the beginning and fly the Waypoint mission. So let's just see. It's getting ready to take position. It should turn round now and point towards the memorial from the start point. Now it should start recording on its own because that's what I programmed in. So there it goes. This is the first waypoint. You can see it's going to be 399 meters in total, and there it is getting close. Just a little bit of work to do on the point of interest there. It didn't keep it centered. So it's my first attempt myself, so we'll work on that one. So now it's returning to home as programmed to do. And it didn't stop recording. That's what I should have done on the last waypoint. Press stop record. So I'll do that now. It's on its way back now.